The Kumbh is sacrosanct in all so many ways. It has the ability to attract such diverse streams as the religious, the devout, the intellectual community, the wisdom seeker, as also the writer, the poet, and the artist. It has the power to cast a magnetic spell on those who are in search of the real India.
ये सकाम पूजा मानी जाती है और हम लोग सब गृहस्थ लोग हैं और हमारा ये मानना है कि हमारी ज़िंदगी में छोटे छोटे दुख, छोटे छोटे सुख ये होते हैं और इनसे मुक्ति के लिए कहीं ना कहीं हमको और आपको हर व्यवस्था की आवश्यकता होती है।
जो आएगा वो श्रद्धा से ही आएगा, वो व्रत बगैर श्रद्धा से आएगा भी तो यहाँ रुक नहीं पाएगा। वो जो यहाँ पे जो रुकता है और जो भी तो वो 100% वो अटूट श्रद्धा का मालिक है, इसलिए वो यहाँ पे आता है।
The 2013 Kumbh is a search for both the present and future of India. The search for salvation is guaranteed for the haves and the have-nots. And these bottles containing the holy Ganga Jal are taken home. Sacred leaves are floated down the Sangam. Such as shul leaves make for the divine side and are symbolic of the message of salvation. The Kumbh of 2013 is no less than the passport to salvation. 55 days of holy penance, bound to enrich their personal life and provide quality and a spiritual dimension to a life, is spent at the feet of God. And a cup of hot steaming tea in the shivering cold is nothing but sheer bliss for the holy pilgrim. The foolproof arrangements put in place by the state administration, ensuring that not a single pilgrim encounters any problem. It is equivalent to the famed Ashwamedh Yajna for the state government.
कुंभ पे नज़र केवल देश के लोगों की नहीं बल्कि दुनिया के लोगों की रहती है और कुंभ केवल उत्तर प्रदेश का नहीं है, देश का भी है कुंभ। यहाँ से संदेश पूरी दुनिया में जाता है।
The national and international media are privy to the most enervating and soul-stirring life experience, unique, divine, and grand in every which way. While some foreigners can be seen immersed in the joys of yogasanas, while some other homebred pilgrims can be seen immersed in prayers and bhajans that lift their spirits to touch the higher spiritual realms of life. The Indian ethos of dance, drama, Nukkad Natak is an experience beyond words and makes the visitor come face to face with the strong and vibrant story of incredible India. An India that is a tapestry of the logical and divine, of music and dance, of the singer and the song.
Lord Brahma said to him, even I must die.
All have free, clean drinking
running water.
गंगे माँ गंगे गंगे माँ गंगे माँ गंगे.
Whether it is the morning, the afternoon, sunset, or the wee hours of the night, those devout, dedicated, and determined pilgrims soldier on, unmindful of the temporary tense and vagaries of the weather in the nights. The sea of humanity reflects the ambience and colors of India, and pilgrims of West Bihar have turned out in large numbers, making it the microcosm of the idea of India.
भारत देश है जो पवित्र देश है, हम भेदभाव करें बगैर सबको साथ में लेके चलते।
हमारे श्री गुरु महाराज जी का ये आदेश और उनका ये जन जन तक ये था कि जन सेवा ही सर्वोपरि है।
भव सागर से भी पार करे माँ पावन यमुना गंगे, जय गंगे माँ गंगे, जय गंगे माँ गंगे।
On the banks of the Ganga stands tall the Ashoka pillar, which stands as a mute testimony to the Hindu way of life. The ritual of the holy Aarti for Ganga Ma, the mellifluous strains of the conch shell fill the area, and the iridescent light seemed to turn heavenward, invoking the gods to replicate the divine congregation of immortality 12 years from now. While most pilgrims come to take the holy baths to absolve themselves of their sins and acts of misdemeanor, while others come to pay obeisance to family members who have passed away from Mother Earth to their heavenly abodes. You can also see scenes of Hatha Yogis doing their asanas, even as the crowds that throng these Babas follow suit in order to cleanse their body and soul. According to divine myths, Lord Shiva used to be a user of ganja and bhang, and the divine followers indulge in smoking to seek his blessings, as though it was their own form of martial arts. Even as the evening sun gives way to dusk and darkens the Sangam area, replete with floating diyas and makeshift lights and tents, it makes the area as resplendent as the myriad hues that drape the sky. As one avid pilgrim put it, the holy nights at the Sangam looks like the heavens have descended to the holy earth and creates myriad colors that pull at your divine heartstrings. Along the rivers, grass huts and the canopies dot the area, even as corporate tents lend a grand dimension. A veritable township, Prayag has its own police and security personnel turned out in large numbers. There is an exclusive power station, a full-fledged hospital that has been erected for the comfort of the holy pilgrims. The Nagri is draped in different hues and changes its visage in myriad ways. The morning and evenings make it look like the different facets of heaven. As night descends on this holy township, the pilgrims use the sandbanks as cushions to retire for the night.
गंगे माँ गंगे, गंगे माँ गंगे.
Today is the culmination of the 55-day sojourn of divinity from Makar Sankranti Day on the 14th of January 2013 to the 10th of March 2013. The hordes of pilgrims take a community dip in the Ganga, take their vows and pray for freeing them from the cycle of life and death. Soon after the revelries come to an end, 12 years on, a different set of people, young and old, foreigners and local pilgrims, will once again turn up for this divine experience, to test their patience with a song on their lips and a divine dream in their purified hearts. After all, the Mahakumbh Mela is no ordinary ritual, but a live experience of purifying the body, mind and soul.
तीर्थराज की जय हो, गंगा रवि तनया की. भरद्वाज की जय हो, पावन अक्षय वट की. सार तत्व त्रिभुवन की भगवती, मेरुदंड माँ गंगे. जय गंगे माँ गंगे, जय गंगे माँ गंगे, जय गंगे माँ गंगे.